I'm the manager of an educational institution, and today I decided it was time to organize our technology ecosystem. I opened ChatGPT and asked for a list of vendors for every front: admissions, CRM, LMS, digital library, DMS, payments, billing, ELTBI, certification, academic app. I got a complete map, names everywhere, and suddenly I wasn't even sure where to start. I imagined a magical street in a big metropolis. On this street, each shop sells a different car part: the engine, the gearbox, the steering wheel, the headlights, the tires, the wiring harness. With patience, I buy everything. Then I call a mechanic, an electrician, an alignment specialist, a notary. Days later, maybe the car starts. Maybe. But then I remember, all I wanted was to visit a friend in the next town. The other option is simple. I open an app. I request a car. The car arrives ready. Fuel, insurance, maintenance, registration, everything taken care of. I get in. I sit down. I arrive. In an educational institution, the parallel is clear. I can build the car with dozens of contracts, fragile integrations, and KPIs that don't align. Or I can choose a single ecosystem that brings together admissions, CRM, digital admissions, LMS, learning content, digital library, payments, billing, and analytics all in one place with unified data and a complete ESL. That's what the platform DRM Education delivers. A ready-to-drive solution. One provider, one contract, a 360-degree view of the student. Proven scale with more than 2 million enrollments already managed. When the goal is to get to the destination faster, to teach better, retain more, and grow with predictability, I don't go shopping for spare parts. I request the ready car. DRM Education, beyond a system, your ecosystem.